Social Anxiety Disorder by Elena Cooper. So what is social anxiety disorder? Social anxiety disorder is a chronic mental health condition in which social interactions cause irrational anxiety. How does this disorder affect people, and what are the symptoms? Everyday social interactions cause irrational anxiety, fear, self-consciousness, and embarrassment. Symptoms may include excess fear of situations in which one may be judged, worrying about embarrassment or humiliation, or concern about offending someone. People may also experience depression, fear, palpitations, social isolation, or sweating. Is it treatable and/or curable? Some treatments are talk therapy and antidepressants. They can help increase confidence and improve ability to interact with others. There's not really a cure, but technically with enough therapy, work, and patience, social anxiety disorder can be overcome. People with social anxiety disorder are oftentimes not understood. I know someone with social anxiety who would rather watch TV alone than hang out with friends, which is something I never understood because I hate being alone and would always rather be out doing something or hanging with someone instead. There are many people in society who want to help, like doctors and therapists, while there are others who might judge a person with social anxiety disorder. Where can I learn more about social anxiety disorder? How can someone with a disorder get help? There are many websites available to learn more about it, as well as online counseling websites. There are also phone numbers that you can call for help.